In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add telephone number in Kit landing page. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can confidently add a phone number field to your existing landing page form. This is really useful if you want to collect more contact information from your leads or if your follow-up process depends on having a valid phone number. First, head into your Kit account and go to the main navigation. From there, look for the section called Grow. Then click on Landing Pages and Forms. This is where all of your existing landing pages are listed. Find the specific landing page you want to edit and open it in the editor. Once the landing page editor loads, you'll see a preview of your form on the left and the settings panel on the right. In the form preview, locate your email address field. Right under that email field, there's a small plus icon or add icon. Go ahead and click that plus icon. This tells the editor you want to insert a new field right in that spot. After you click the plus icon, look over to the right-hand sidebar. You'll see the custom field settings for the new field you just added. In the drop-down menu there, choose phone number. This changes the type of the field so it's formatted specifically for phone numbers, rather than just a generic text field. Next, adjust the field label so it's clear to your visitors. You can type in something like phone number or telephone. Use the wording that feels most natural for your audience, but make sure it's obvious that you're asking for a phone number. You'll also see an option to mark this field as required. If collecting a phone number is essential for your process, check the required box so people can't submit the form without filling it out. If you'd rather keep it optional, simply leave that unchecked. Once you're happy with the settings, take a quick look at the form preview to confirm the phone field appears where you want it, just under the email address. When everything looks good, move to the top right corner of the editor and click Save, and then click Publish. Saving stores your changes, and publishing pushes them live, so visitors to your landing page will immediately see the new phone number field. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added a telephone number field to your Kit landing page.